Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. Opportunity Circle is back with another amazing opportunity, the Cross Culture Fellowship Program in Germany. In this video, we're going to give you full details and application process about the Cross Culture Program in Germany 2022. This fellowship program in Germany provides an opportunity to 120 people from different countries to deepen their expertise, establish a network, and acquire intercultural skills required for a professional career. The opportunity is provided to all professionals and volunteers from 46 eligible countries to participate in a fully funded fellowship program in Europe. The participants will spend 2 to 3 months in Germany and participate with partner organizations and work under the supervision of world-class professionals. CCF is a platform where participants can create a network, acquire skills, and gain expertise by working in a diverse professional environment. Cross Culture Program in Germany 2022 is an opportunity for young people to go to Germany for free and participate in different workshop, events, and activities hosted by the IFA. The Cross Culture Exchange Program is an initiative for the international youth by the German Federal Foreign Office. Fully funded CCP fellowship enables the professionals and committed volunteers to deepen their expertise and acquire skills, and in return the organization benefits from the knowledge and networks. After returning to their home countries, participants can use their knowledge and gain experience for their betterment. This program promotes cultural exchange, education, science and technology, and allows the participants to work as a team with members of different countries and backgrounds. The Cross Culture Program in Germany focuses on some key topics related to society and policy, media and culture, peace, human rights, and sustainable development. Young people who want to participate in this fellowship must be working in one of these fields and have significant experience in relevant fields. The fields to which this fellowship is offered: policy and society, media and culture, human rights and peace, sustainable development, digital civil society, non-formal political education, and climate justice. The country to host the fellowship program is Germany. This is a fully funded program, and you can also check the eligible regions that are eligible to apply for this fellowship program. The eligibility criteria to apply for this fellowship program: applicants must belong to one of the eligible countries mentioned in the list above. Applicants from Germany can also apply. Applicants must be at least 23 years old at the time of application. Applicants must have at least 2 years of professional experience. Applicants must be proficient in English, and knowledge of German language will be a plus point. Applicants must be in good health. Students cannot apply for this program. Benefits of this fellowship program: participants will receive a monthly stipend of approximately €550. Round-trip airfare accommodation will be provided. Participants will also receive monthly public transportation tickets. Health insurance will be covered. Visa cost will be reimbursed. Mentorship for the whole duration of the program. Professional training in the field of work. The documents required to apply for this fellowship program: a CV in English, details about education, work experience, volunteer work and skills, letter of motivation. You can click on the template to view the letter of motivation, and you can also view the template for the recommendation letter and a photo of the applicant. The deadline to apply for this program is January 31st, 2022. To apply for this cross-culture fellowship program in Germany, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on that link, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you can read the full details about the fellowship program, and after reading the details, scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the official application page of the CCP Fellowship. Select your country of origin and then click on Refresh. Select the CCP Fellowship 2022 for applicants from Pakistan. You can select your application from your native country. Are you currently living in Pakistan and fill all the criteria mentioned in About CCP? Welcome to apply for a CCP Fellowship by clicking on the button below. Click on Apply Now. Upload your CV by clicking on CV Upload. Then add in your master data, your salutation, your title, your first name, your surname, your street address, postcode, city, country, your date of birth, your current nationality, your email address and phone number. Then add in your school education details, highest level of education, your field of work, professional experience, vocational specialization, current professional status, knowledge of English, international experience, miscellaneous, voluntary services, information about voluntary organization. Are you already in contact with an organization in Germany? How did you learn about the CCP program, your home organization, your period of fellowship, on-site or digital fellowship? Then you have to attach the required documents. Please add attachments to your profile as Word, PDF, GIF, PNG or JPEG files. Add in your photo, your motivation letter, your CV, and recommendation from the home organization. And then click on the privacy policy and then click on send. After clicking on send, your application will be submitted. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.